Let's check it out. So, Castle in the Sky, very good. The Last Sun, didn't like that much. Daywalker, very good. So this is the 4th song from the album I'm hearing. Death of a Rockstar. They're referencing older songs in this song. Death of the Rockstar or Death of a Rockstar, that's a song by them. They're probably referencing more songs in this one, but I'm just not getting them. Yeah, Death of a Rockstar, that song has a very groovy drop in it. I think people mentioned that the song Death of a Rockstar has like the melody of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, I think that song is called. This is so signature Within the Ruins, this stuff. That's always so fun and groovy. So far, this album is shaping up to be much better than I was anticipating. I actually kind of look forward to checking out the whole thing. I'll give you guys more chicken profile pic lore after this song is over, guys. Yeah, you're absolutely right, Coca-Cola. Also, I also really like this vocalist. You can't really call him a new vocalist anymore. I think by now he's been in the band at least 4 years, something like that. Wow, that was cool. But this vocalist, he's at least as good as the old one, who I also liked quite a lot. Alright, this is interesting as well. Is this the outro? I guess it is, yeah. It's like a fade out. Generally, I'm not really a fan of songs that fade out, but the way they did it in this song is pretty interesting. Pretty chill way to fade it out. Usually I think fade outs are a little anticlimactic, but in this one it fits very well. Damn. Why is this the top comment? It's always good to find a new Within the Ruins song while taking a dump at 5:45 in the morning. Yes, exactly. But very good song.